Hey guys, how you doing? I knew the day would come, but I finally just got my first negative comment, I think. I'm not really sure. Um, the wording was probably not complete in what they wrote. But anyway, I'm not really sure how to handle that. Should I just delete the comment? Should I ask a question and try to figure out what this person was talking about? I'll say it had to do with pipes. Do they work? Do you get gains? I just posted up a video with a pipe that I made for this 359 ported, and I think there was a difference. I would know. I ran the saw before and after. I guess I'm responding to that comment now. Just not really sure how to handle negative comments. I knew eventually I would get one, but like you say, we all do this, either watch channels or make channels because we enjoy this kind of stuff. And for me, I like to see what everybody else does, and I'm a tinkerer, so I'm gonna constantly play around with things and see if I can do it too, because that's half the fun for me, is to see if I can do what other people can do, and maybe try to do it a little better, or even try to achieve the same results, right? Yeah, negative comments, I'm not really sure what to do with those. Yeah, I think that if you're watching these channels or you have these channels, you know, you're looking for like-minded people that are interested in doing the things that you're doing, and to leave negative comments is, you know, I mean, maybe are people bored? Do they not have anything else to do? For me, I'm just not like that. I don't go and bash somebody for what they're doing. You know, I'll ask questions because I'm interested, but I'm not gonna bash anybody or fault anybody for trying things, or maybe coming up with something that nobody thought of before, or just trying to do what other people have done. You know, I don't really understand the whole point of that. I think what I'll do is probably just not respond to negative comments, because I wouldn't want to open a door for just nonsense, right? I do this for fun, you know, and I hope that the people that are watching these videos are enjoying it for fun. If they're not, don't watch, right? It's really that simple. We all have that option. Everybody does. If I get a nasty comment, then obviously I'm just going to delete it, because I think that's just wrong. But this comment, I'm not gonna delete. I think it kind of speaks for, you know, it speaks for itself, you know, whatever. It's someone's opinion. So anyway, I just wanted to address that. I knew it was gonna happen eventually, so I got a negative comment. I think I'm taking it as a negative comment, I guess. But anyway, that's where I'm gonna leave it. So I'm gonna keep doing this stuff. I've got a 55 over here. I'm in the middle of making a pipe here. It's not finished. I'm gonna try it, see how it goes. I'm really happy with this one, and I guess that's all that really matters, is that I'm happy with it. So, but I'm gonna keep doing this kind of stuff, and hopefully for the people that enjoy it, you're gonna keep watching it. Thank you.